Suddenly found something to add to the channel under my methods. Setting that pesky buckle on the right hip, because you'll find many times that you've sewn the kilt accurately to the client's measurements. In this case, this kilt is a 46-inch waist, so starting at the right-hand edge of the inside apron, that very first seam, I measure it, and it's exactly spot on 46. But then what you'll do is to set that buckle, you'll put the start of your measuring tape at, let's say, that hole. Maybe that hole, but usually that hole. And then you'll measure that same distance, 46 inches, and you'll come up much farther back here, right? Or alternately, you'll call the person in for a fitting, and you've sewn it on, right? You've followed the numbers and you've sewed it on. But when the person tries the kilt on, the buckle is set far too far back. And I believe the reason for that is that when we measure the client, we're measuring over the shirt, right? And the trousers. But when we measure the kilt, remember the kilt this is nearly half an inch thick across the back here, plus added dimension here, so that the 46 is an accurate measurement on the inside of the kilt. The outside of the kilt could add up to a couple of inches of circumference on the measuring tape as when you measure over the kilt on the client. So I believe that the best practice is to sew the buckle on relative to the distance from the edge of the apron. So in this case, counting seams, 1, 2, 3, 4 seams, and we have the buckle bar centered on the 4th seam. So same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've mounted this buckle the same distance in from the apron as I did the right-hand one. So here's hoping, because I'm sending this thing to the other side of the planet, we may have a little back and forth email if it turns out that this needs to be shifted again. But there you go. There's my thoughts on setting that buckle, and that might help with the confusion and consternation sometimes when you set the buckle and it's wrong. There we go.